Hello, Dave Emsley here with Prospectors Gold and Gems. Today we're going to be doing a refining lot on some Colorado gold. We have a nice full jar here that we're going to be processing. The first thing we need to do is figure out how much it's going to weigh. So to do that we take a scale and we zero it out. This gold, unfortunately, is not the prettiest stuff in the world. If we take a close look here, it's kind of a dingy color. Some of the bigger stuff from a operation. But we're going to weigh that out, and we see that we have 939 grams, or 30.19 troy ounces, plus the rest of it. 30.2.66, which is what we brought in. So now we are going to melt and weigh and see how much exactly is here. David Emsley of Prospectors Gold and Gems here. We have 35 ounces of placer gold in a cup here, and we're going to put it in the induction furnace here. So we've got the induction furnace pre-warmed up, and we're just going to take that gold, pour it on in. Now, this material is pretty dirty. There's a lot of black sand, there's a lot of icky stuff in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to flux it to get that iron out. I'll use a borax. What this will do is it'll help minimize our losses. You don't want any gold to go up. It'll also pull any leads out as well. We also use soda ash. We're going to pour some of that in as well. So we're going to let that get good and hot. And as soon as it's ready, we'll cast that into an oiled mold. We put the oil in there so it doesn't explode on you. Otherwise, you put hot metal on a cold mold, boom. Okay, so we have our gold. It's pretty hot right now. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. It's not often we recommend pouring a kilo at a shot. First, we're going to pour that flux in there ever so gently. And then we're going to let the gold go in. Always want to make sure all of it gets out. The oil is what's burning away there. This thing's super hot, so we're going to put that back in. And then we have our gold is in the bottom, the slag is what's coming up to the top there, the oil is burning off. That's going to turn pitch black after it's dark. As soon as that cools off, we'll flip her over and show you the gold. So that's pouring a kilo of gold at a shot. Okay, so we have poured our fine gold bar into a mold, and there's a little bit of crud on there from the mold, so we're going to scrape that off. Pretty stuff. Next is to weigh it to get a full assay after drying, and then we'll know exactly how much gold we have in that lot. Pretty good amount.